Power racket. Power rackets help players generate easy depth and speed on shots. They typically feature oversized heads, over 105 square inches, lightweight frames, and stiffer construction with open string patterns. These designs became prominent in the 1980s and 1990s as materials shifted from wood to graphite and composites, allowing larger sweet spots and more forgiveness. Their generous size and head-heavy balance distinguish them from control-oriented frames by amplifying power, even on off-center hits. Beginners and recreational players commonly use them on public courts, where consistent depth matters more than pinpoint precision. Control racket. Control rackets prioritize accuracy and feel over raw power. They usually have smaller mid-size heads around 95 square inches or less, heavier frames, and more flexible materials that provide better feedback. These rackets trace their roots to the wooden era of tennis and remain favored by advanced players who shape shots with spin and placement. Their compact head and headlight balance set them apart by demanding good technique while rewarding precision. Professional and high-level competitive players often choose them during matches, where control dictates the point. Tweener racket. Tweener rackets offer a balanced mix of power and control for versatile play. They generally sit in the mid-plus head size range of 98 to 102 square inches, with medium weight and even balance. This category developed as an intermediate option in the modern graphite era, bridging the gap between forgiving power frames and demanding control models. Their all-around specs make them distinct by suiting a wide range of swing styles without extreme trade-offs. Intermediate players frequently select them for club matches and practice, where adaptability across baseline rallies and net approaches proves valuable. Oversize racket. Oversize rackets feature the largest head sizes, often exceeding 110 square inches, creating an expansive sweet spot. They provide maximum forgiveness and power with minimal effort, making mishits still productive. Popularized during the 1970s and 1980s metal and early composite boom, they helped expand access to the sport. Their broad frame and lighter overall feel differentiate them from standard sizes by emphasizing ease over maneuverability. They appear most often with beginners and casual players seeking confidence on every swing. Midplus racket. Midplus rackets balance control with manageable power through head sizes around 98 to 105 square inches. They combine reasonable forgiveness with enough precision for developing technique. As tennis equipment evolved from smaller wooden frames, Midplus designs emerged as a practical sweet spot for many club-level competitors. Their moderate dimensions distinguish them by offering versatility without the extremes of oversize or true mid-size options. Recreational and advancing intermediate players commonly use them in league play and weekend games for reliable performance from all areas of the court. Graphite racket. Graphite rackets use lightweight, strong carbon fiber composites in their frames. This material replaced heavier wood and metal in the 1980s, enabling thinner, stiffer profiles that transfer energy efficiently. Their construction allows for varied head sizes and balance points, while reducing arm strain compared to older designs. What sets them apart is the combination of durability, responsiveness, and customization across power and control spectrums. Most modern tennis rackets, from beginner to professional levels, rely on graphite or graphite composites for everyday training and competition. Wooden racket. Wooden rackets represent the classic design used throughout much of tennis history until the late 20th century. Crafted from laminated wood with smaller head sizes and heavier weight, they offered a natural feel and required precise timing. They dominated the sport from its early organized days through the wooden era, shaping classic playing styles. Their dense construction and limited sweet spot distinguish them from modern composites by demanding greater skill and producing a softer, more muted response on impact. Collectors and retro enthusiasts still appreciate them for historical demonstrations or nostalgic play.